Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, find the app called Files and open it. Then you need to select Clean at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on Free under Junk Files. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I can only select and free app duplicate files. So I will just choose one of them, for example that one, and tap on Delete. Then choose Delete over here, and as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!